Hi guys and welcome back to my channel. My name is Candace. If you're new, if you're returning, welcome back. Today I am going to be doing just a little catch-up video. Y'all haven't seen me in forever. That's definitely my fault. I have some new subscribers, so hi to all the new subscribers. I'm just gonna be doing like a get ready with me video. So I have my makeup, I have my brush, and I have a curling wand that I borrowed from my friend. Thank you, Hannah, if you're watching this. And I'm just gonna do like a catch up. Like I have so much to catch you up on. Boys, health and fitness, school, work, like internships. Like it's so much. So let's get started. And sorry if you hear that little cricketing noise. Like it's the, what is it called? Fire alarm thing. The battery needs to be replaced. I feel like that's so black of me, but it's gonna be what it's gonna be. Y'all start with hair and makeup. I always start with makeup, and I'm gonna start with makeup. Right now I've done skincare and I did sunscreen. So I'm gonna go in with this. This is really dirty. This Glossier Priming Moisturizer Balance Primer. I just do 2 pumps all over my face. Okay, let's start with internships. First, I am in Dallas now. I'm no longer in Indiana. And if you didn't know, I moved to Indiana because my whole family lives there now. And I go to school there. I go to Purdue. And that being the case, like, I love Indiana kind of, but I also like want to escape it. I've always wanted to come back to Dallas. So I was like looking for internships in different states. I was looking for like New York, Dallas, specifically Dallas, anywhere but Indiana I could just be for the summer. And I got an internship in Dallas, and I had a choice of what like I wanted my role to be kind of, and I chose fundraising thinking I was just gonna be like, it's for a golf course, so I thought I was just gonna be like raising money, like hosting events, like, you know, little black ties, stuff like that. I'm doing nothing like that, guys. Okay, first of all, most of my job is like working with kids and like doing golf camps every day and like finding camps that we can run with other people in other camps and like recreation centers. I don't have a problem with that. I just feel like I was catfished. Like that has nothing to do with fundraising. The only thing that like it's fundraising is like it was for the fund. Let me check my base real quick. Looks good. It was for the I don't want to say where I work, but it was for a fund, like a nonprofit. I'm going on with Closest Concealer, shade 8.2. So that being the case, I'm just like kind of tired of work. I have like 5 weeks left and I'm kind of counting down the days. But if y'all want a video on how to land internships, please let me know in the comments and I will definitely make that video. I also need to update how to get your summer job video, which I meant to do before summer came, but I ran out of time. So I'll update that for high schoolers that are trying to get jobs, because you should definitely get a job before you go to college. My bev today, Poppy, orange, and I got a value pack at Costco, so lock into Costco. Oh my god, my camera's dying. Okay, let me hurry up. So that's my thing with the internship. It's not that it's bad, it's just not what I expected, and that makes it bad, kind of. Because I expected, like, cute office job, not, like, outside working with kids job, you know? And I don't like other people's kids. Like, I'm so open about that. I always say, like, I don't like kids because I don't like other people's kids. Like, if I raise the kid, it's one thing, because if it's bad kid, it's my fault. But, like, other people's kids, I'm just like, ugh. Like, no. And, like, certain towns that we go to, like, certain parts of the city, y'all know, certain parts of South Dallas, those kids get a little, bad. Like, very bad. And I'm just like, oh my gosh, I can't deal with it. Okay, y'all don't want to hear me talk about work the whole time, so I'm gonna switch the subject. Let's go to boys, because, like, there's this guy I'm talking to, and if he ever finds this video, I'll actually kill myself. I can't say that on the internet, but, like, if he ever finds this, I will be so embarrassed. But we literally have the most fun ever, and I love it so much. He's actually, like, I've known him since I was, like, 3, technically. Through an organization that I'm not gonna name. But never really talked like this before. And I, like, mentioned, like, oh, we should be a fling, ha 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 ha. and a summer fling, and he was like, no, like you just got a relationship, like you need to calm down. And like I always need to calm down when it comes to boys, but I'm never calm. I'm never calm. So um we're not officially a friend, like I didn't say that, like not how I'm naming it, but we hang out every weekend. So take that what you will. We haven't done anything like sexual. And I think that's a good thing because like he's not for it. Like he sent me this emoji, and to me, like someone told me that means like giving head. I think I have to bleep that out. Maybe, I don't know. Um and so I was like, what is he trying to say? I was like, does that mean you want me to, and he was like, and I was like, and I was like, you want me to do dot dot dot? Is this an invitation? And he was like, no, ma'am. So I'm like, I feel like I don't know if he likes me back or not. Cause like, who doesn't want their, you know, like what guy, you know, like who would? Maybe I don't know. Maybe he just wants to stay like really platonic, but he's so like playful and flirtatious with me, and that I don't even know like what's going on sometimes. And that makes things awful, but it's just how it is. But yeah, I actually like really, really like him. And like I haven't liked someone like this since this other guy that I posted a video about that I took down because it was too like personal and like I dropped too many names and like stuff like that. But like that other guy, I like had like this moment where like I was journaling about him because he pumped my gas, and no guy has done that for me before. And then like I realized how like bare minimum that is because like my ex pumped my gas for me. And then like this new guy pumped my gas for me, and it just made me, I was like sitting there like, we've played these games before. Like I was just sitting there like, oh my gosh, here I am, and like this is happening right now. So I just made me feel like the other guy was not that special, and that pumping your gas is not that special, but like it's so like it's something like if my mom asked like how was your night, I'd be like, great, he pumped my gas for me, you know, like da-da-da. Oh guys, I had to tell you about how he looked at me. Okay, so guys, my hair is red if you can't see, and um it's newly dye red. Like it's like, I'll take it down. It's like a little bit puffy because I've been like working out and stuff, but it's like this technically I think the color is burgundy. It looks really black right now. Okay, it's actually red, guys. Okay, that's better. You can see now. But my stylist said the color is technically burgundy, but I was like kind of like, do you like my hair? We went to the movies twice so far. That's what we've done. I was kind of like, do you like my hair? And he was like, I love it, or something like that. He was like he looked me up and down and was like, I really like it. Like it looks good on you. And my heart melted. I was like, thanks. Like I like it, and like your opinion doesn't matter that much, but like to hear it from you is like, thanks, bae, you know? Um, there was that, and he's like really like he teases me a lot. So like I've been driving, and like we went to McDonald's and I was driving, and he would be like tapping my arm like, get me an apple pie, get me an apple pie, get me an apple pie, even though he knew I was gonna get him one. And then like he stuck his finger in my ear like a wet willy, but it wasn't wet. I don't know what that like, does he like me back, guys? Or is he playing with my feelings? Who knows? Sorry for the background noise again. But it's just like so much like going on. And like I don't know, I really like him though. So there's that. Next category. If y'all want more on that category, I can give like a more detailed account, like you're like my best friend, like FaceTime best friend kind of thing. But we're gonna wrap it up for that because my camera is dying. Next category, health and fitness. Guys, I feel like I've fallen off health and fitness wise. I would show you my body, but like I don't want, well, like, okay, that's just too much. Since I left Purdue, I haven't been to the gym. I'd been to the gym this morning. This is the first time in like a month, and that's not good. Yeah, so I've been drinking one of these every morning, and I'm like, oh, it's prebiotic, it's healthy, like it's better than normal soda, da da da. But like, who drinks soda every day, every morning? That's weird. So like, and this also still has sugar in it. So like, I don't know, just health and fitness wise, I've been really, really off, and I feel like I look like puffier and bloated, and like, I don't want to say fatter, but like bigger, definitely. And I hate that for me. So I'm going back to the gym. I want to get into running. Like, I really want to be a runner. Like, oh, I ran a 5K this weekend. Like, I have 3 miles under my belt, but like the farthest I can go is a mile, and that's not bad, it's just not good, you know. So health and fitness wise, I'm like falling off, slacking. Need to get back on it. I've been eating kind of good besides like the soda, kind of good, kind of not. I also eat dinner pretty early, so everything digests well. It's just like, I don't know, I haven't been working out, so I don't look toned, anything like that. If anyone like relates to that, comment down below. Also, if you know any like running programs that you'll have, or any running clubs in Dallas that are like 18 plus kind of thing, put them down below, because I definitely need to join one and get it together. Next category is definitely going to be school. So guys, tell me why I got home from work. This is like, okay, I gotta really look in. Tell me why I got home from work and cut. My assignment was due at 11:59 and I woke up from my nap at 11:40. So it was just 2 reflection questions. I finished the questions, I turned it in, but I'm like, what are the odds like that's what's going on right now? Like, school, I had 2 classes this summer, and I think I'm getting summer classes for free since my dad works at the school. I had to drop one of my classes because it was just too much work. And I asked my friend who's already taken the class if there was this much work during the school year. She was like, no, it was pretty easy. And I was like, what? He had us doing like 7 discussion questions, each a page each, and then an essay, and then quizzes, and then 4 exams. I was like, nigga, like, I take classes in the summer because it's supposed to be easier, not like all this work. Like, come on. Like, bro, I wanted a throwaway class because my GPA dropped from chemistry. I got a C+ in chemistry, by the way. And my GPA dropped from a 3.7 to a 3.35. If you're wondering, like, why did it drop so much? It's because I transferred so many of my credits in to Purdue. So, and those transfer credits don't count in your GPA. Because of that, my Purdue GPA is like only based on a few classes. So if I do bad in one class, it just tanks. And I did bad in chemistry. And then I got a B in calc. I got a B in pre-calc and calc 1. So it's just, you know, is what it is. And yeah, that's just how school's going. I'm kind of excited to get back on campus. Not excited to see some people like my ex that's on campus. I don't want to talk about him. If you want a video about him, oh my gosh, okay, about him and all the crazy things that he said to me and done to me, leave a comment down below and I'll make a video about him because he's not gonna see it. Let me know. I was gonna curl my hair, but I don't feel like it, so I'm just gonna brush through it. Now, I think I covered all of the categories, but I do want to mention, like, Candace, you have red hair now. Like, what happened? What happened to the color wax that you were just showing us 2 months ago? So yeah, I did dye my hair red. Like I was saying, the color is technically burgundy. And she didn't use bleach, just developer. I don't know if developer is considered bleach, but she used, I want to say either 30 or 40. It wasn't that high. I think it was 30. And it was like 3 packets of the red. And honestly, ooh, let me put my armpits down. Honestly, this color is like very like Miller coated. Not really, but like very like Holmes coated. Like my grandma has red hair. I'm not painting a picture of my grandma. Y'all, that's weird. My grandma has red hair. My great aunt has red hair. Like, this is just like, this, like I'm in the family now, you know? Like, I'm officially like, I'm in there. Like I've always been in there, but like I'm in there, you know? So I feel like red hair is just like, you know, had to do it, you know? And I love it so much. I'm so excited for my hair to be curly so it can look like this. Like this is my inspo. I was gonna get a bob. If y'all saw my post, I posted like a poll, like hair keep it long, bob or both. And I stuck with red hair keep it long. My hair is shorter than usual. Length check, it's like nipple length. It's usually longer than that. I think I've had some breakage from braids and I've had some breakage from not getting trims often enough. Like I've been saying, I'm from Dallas. I only trust my Dallas hairstylist, and I haven't seen her in like a year and a half, so I didn't get a trim in like a year and a half. So I just had so much breakage from that, and my hair's just been going through it from that, and then you add dye on top of that, you know? So I got a trim, and it's pretty, I feel like this is like shorter than I usually have it, but it's still pretty long. I was gonna get like a long bob and cut like 2 inches off, but my second mom, my best friend's mom was like, don't do it, Candace. It's like, you're not gonna like it. Da, 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 da. She's giving me all these reasons. She was like, when you get my age, you're not gonna have long hair. But like, her hair is more fine than mine, so we don't know if that's true. Anyways, yeah, this is my hair for now. When the roots grow out, I might get it touched up, but she went all the way to my root. Okay, it looks patchy right there, but it's actually not black right there. She went all the way to my roots. The only thing I don't really like is that my edges are so vibrant. On camera, they don't look that vibrant. They look like just like normal. But in person, like, they're like bright red. And they were even worse, like, because I had like dye on my skin still from the dye. But like, as I've been washing my face, it's been coming off. But I feel like my edges are so vibrant. So anytime I do a ponytail, I'd be sure to like cover them up like that. But yeah, this is my hair. This is the update. This is the length. This is the volume. It's so cute. If you want to dye your hair, just do it. Honestly, I used to be like, no, like I want to keep my virgin hair. Like, my hair's gonna fall out, like all this stuff. But like, if your hair is healthy before you dye it and you dye it, you should be good. Especially if you don't use bleach. Like if you're going to like I feel like red is a very low state color, whereas like blonde is like, damn, like if I went platinum blonde, like I might be bald right now. Because blonde is so harsh on your hair. And like I didn't have to use bleach at all, so like I'm fine with this. And like when it grows out, I'll rock like brown or blackish brown roots for a little bit, and then I'll go get a touch up whenever I'm back in Dallas. So yeah, that's like the update with my hair. This was a silk press. Now it looks like a blowout, blow dry. Like it's not silk press season, guys. It's not winter. I just needed a haircut. Like don't follow my footsteps. Like it looked like this like after I got out of the salon, like a day after, because it was just so humid. Okay, enough yapping about my hair. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you liked it, make sure to leave a like. If you made it to the end of this video, comment the peach emoji. I'm in a peachy mood. Comment the peach emoji. And if you want to see any more videos, make sure you like and subscribe and stick around. If you want to see that video about me talking about my ex, comment down below. I'm definitely going to post a how to get an internship video and an updated summer jobs video. So that'll be coming along with some hair content. So stick around. I love you guys, and I'll see you later.